Tata Hitachi Shinrai. A machine you can trust and rely on. Tata Hitachi presents its capable and reliable backhoe loader, Shinrai. Shinrai's backhoe loaders dig forces and gives you leading reaches that help you work in the deepest and farthest of locations with capable ease. The front-end loader provides bucket auto-leveling, ensuring shorter cycle times, safety, high maneuverability, and powerful dosing capabilities. Designed for attachments like a 6-in-1 loader bucket and rock breaker, Shinrai brings confident capability for all jobs. With an engine with high pulling ability and reserve power at low RPMs, resulting in high fuel efficiency and machine long life, Shinrai gives you confident capability to do all jobs. Shinrai has a spacious, air-conditioned cab with easy switching between backhoe and loader modes, feather touch controls, music system, abundant storage and suspension seating all ensure that the operator is comfortable and remains capable always. Simple is beautiful. Shinrai comes with a fully mechanical driveline, driving an efficient gear pump design that ensures ruggedness with simplicity. The simple needs of maintenance ease and low operating cost prompt Shinrai to have the simplest inline fuel pump and running costs that are simply the lowest. Shinrai comes with Insight, Tata Hitachi's telematics system, which tells you about your Shinrai's location and condition. Simple, Tata Hitachi Shinrai is born out of years of understanding your needs, backed by global engineering capabilities. With its gold standard engine, time-tested transmission, axle and hydraulics, reliability is built inside out. Shinrai's warranty and support package will ensure that you can reliably take on all tasks with Tata Hitachi by your side. With capability to work, confidence to perform, and built-in reliability, Tata Hitachi Shinrai is the one you always needed.